Yo, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It is I, BVF Collection, bringing you a nice little unboxing video or unwrapping video. Anyways, we got ourselves here the XXX sketchbook. So, from the new recent drop on August 31st of 2024, the XXXTentacion.com website initially launched, and out of all that, I went ahead and just copped a nice little spicy notebook for $12. I caught this on September 1st. It is now September 13th, so bravo, bravo. The shipping is quite immaculate, I will say. Usually when it comes to these guys, it takes a long time to ship, but now it looks like they got it nice and in order. So without further ado, let's get into the unwrapping. That was awesome. I haven't had one of those before, so very simple, very easy, very pleasing. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Do we get the X bag? No, we do not. We just get the sketchbook itself. Very nice sketchbook. One size, black and white. I seen when it comes with like the merchandising, there's like an XXX bag or something like that. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this opened up. It's probably right here, yeah. The glue adhesive. Wait, hold on. Yeah, no. Screw it. Taking it out for the video. Alright. Already off the rip, seeing some damage right here in this corner. A little bit of damage on this corner. Not too shabby for 12 bucks. Okay, cool. When I was originally looking at this, it looked like grid lines, like not just horizontal but vertical lines as well. So I'm pretty happy to see it's a little bit of both. And on each page you got day of the week, if it's morning, afternoon, or night. Memo night, whatever. Pretty cool. It feels nice. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it feels pretty nice. Love this artwork, very clean. Ooh, yeah, some little damage over here. I wish they added some sort of padding, but nonetheless, very spicy meatball of a unwrapping. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been BVF Collection, tuning out. Have a great day. Peace.